The reaction when we pull up in the Soul Asylum H2 is always a wow. We usually start with sound quality. They just get used to that. We wham them on the bass. I'm Rafael Capone, the owner of the Soul Asylum Studios Group, and here we have the Soul Asylum H2. The amount of speakers in the Soul Asylum H2 is 86. We want sound quality at loud, natural volumes versus just blaring, hurting your ears loud. We've had many clients that use Soul Asylum Studios. T.I., Future, Justin Bieber, Rocco, Jeezy. The Soul Asylum H2, we use it for marketing, promotion, brand awareness, charity, competition.
Thank everybody for showing up. I'm sure Jason Smith missed the show. Y'all probably already know.
We average at least 100 car shows a year. That's not including meets. We average just over 250, sometimes 300 to under 300 trophies a year.
I got something to say.
I made the Soul Asylum H2 because it isn't the first of its kind. And 1990, when I was still in the military, my first show vehicle was built, and that was my passion. Of course, I wanted to open up a recording studio, but I wanted to do both. So I built a show vehicle. It was called the Motown Soldier. It became world famous back then. So we got this in the end of 2014. In 30 days, we put all the LED lights on it. We got a system going in it. We put the wheels on it. We put the graphics on it. Started doing shows, and it was cool. When building it, my main focus was sound quality. I wanted to be loud, but I wanted sound quality. I wanted to what I hear in the studio, to hear on the road. All of our speakers are doing different things. So let's say we have 10 10s, 36 tweeters, 14 horns, 12 subs, 8 mid bass speakers, 8 mid range speakers. We've been told up to 3 miles away, we've been heard. Because sometimes on the weekend I'll prepare for a show and I'll be testing and tuning, and a cop pulled up. And he was like, "What are you doing?" I was like, "Hey, I have a championship show tomorrow. I'm trying to set the system." He was like, "I was 2.5 miles away and just followed the sound to you." I was like, "Okay, I'll cut it off." And he was such a nice cop. He's like, "I'm gonna give you 15 more minutes. I'll cancel all the 911 calls that's complaining about the sound and get your system right, and I hope you win." And I took those 15 minutes and I set the system. And when we did that show the next day, we came back with 12 trophies, one show. Trying to get 86 speakers, 11 amplifiers, 3 miles of copper wiring, 3 alternators, 7 batteries, DSP, and a vehicle this size, everything had to be designed. Even our pillars, which are easy overlooked, are custom pillars that house tweeters. Of course, we have a red chrome wrap with the red chrome matching wheels, and then we have all of our microphone switches. So we can cut on up to 5 microphones and have 5 live mics going at the same time because we have a studio grade mixer. This is my favorite microphone, so it stays up here with me, but the mics we let people use are in the back. A nice iPad in the dash. And all our switches have been moved, but the coolest thing, we pull our iPad out we still have our radio controls. On a quick glance, that's the Soul Asylum H2. A very diverse, multi-control, 86 speaker, mobile stage, sound quality, SPL build. The nice thing about the Soul Asylum H2 is it isn't slow. It's top speed, 105 miles an hour in this big, beautiful, heavy vehicle. I'll let you guys just think about what it could possibly cost, but we did buy the Hummer used for $40,000. And if you just take our amps and speakers in a box, unshipped from Match Pro Audio, you're looking at over $35,000 just in a box. Best I can give you on prices. If we ever sold the H2, it would definitely have to be someone that was gonna use it for charity or use it for what we're using it for. It couldn't just go and be locked up in some garage. If someone offered me money to buy the Soul Asylum H2 without hesitation, it would be for $250,000. When it gets dark, the Soul Asylum H2 is bananas. We have won world titles for our LED lighting, interior and exterior. I'm a very humble person, but we made people change up their lighting game. We're very competitive. Yes, I go to the shows to compete and to win because I'm there representing my company at the same time. So we want those wins and earn those wins.